Water is the clean liquid that has no color, no taste, or no smell. It is the most important liquid on earth. Water carries nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. It allows the body to assimilate and absorb minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose, and other substances. Water flushes out toxins and waste in our body. It helps to regulate body temperature. It also acts as a lubricant for joints and muscles. Drinking water keeps us from becoming dehydrated. Water covers almost 70% of Earth's surface in the form of oceans, rivers, and lakes. There is the same amount of water on Earth as there was when the Earth was formed. All living things need water to live. Plants need water to make food. Most plants die if they do not get water for few days. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. And comes to humans, they can live about 1 month without food, but cannot live even about 1 week without water. We need water to drink and to do many things in our life. Do you know most amount of water is spent in bathrooms? Plants also need water. They absorb water from the soil. Some plants like lotus and lily live in water only. Rain is the main source of water. It fills up ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, seas, and oceans. These are also called natural source of water. Do you know rainwater is the purest form of water? Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. This is called groundwater. We draw it out by digging wells, hand pumps, etc. We get water in our homes through taps. All these are called man-made sources of water. Many food items like fruits, vegetables, meat, and milk contain different amount of water. Water that is clean and safe for drinking is called potable water or drinking water. We should always drink clean water and keep the water covered. Store water in clean containers only. We should boil water before drinking. By this, the germs present in the water will be killed. Drinking polluted water can make us sick. At last, water is very precious. We should not waste it. Turn off the water taps when not in use.